Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Steam games not launching Windows 11. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now although this is set for Windows 11, you can also use these methods on Windows 10 or whichever operating system that you're using. So there's a couple methods we're going to go through. And the first one we're going to try is once you've got Steam opened, you want to come across to your Games library. So if you come up to the top and click onto Library, once you're logged into Steam, and what you want to do is locate the game that isn't launching from the games list on the left-hand side. So in this example, let's go ahead and take this one here. What you want to do is actually right-click onto the game itself in the games library, and on this menu, come down and click onto Properties. Now once you've done that, you're going to get the Properties window for this game. The first thing we're going to do is verify the integrity of the game files to check for any damaged or corrupted files that could prevent the game from launching successfully. So to do that, come across to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto Installed Files. Now you're going to see here the option Verify Integrity of Game Files. All you need to do is give this button a click, and it's just going to take a minute or two, run through, and check the integrity of files. At this point, if there's any damaged, corrupted, or broken files, missing files, what it's going to do is attempt to fix and download those missing files, which in turn is going to help the game to successfully launch. So after doing that, once that's completed, go ahead and try launch your game to see if that resolves your problem. If your Steam games are still not launching, the next thing you're going to want to do is try clearing your download cache. So to do that, come up to the top left-hand corner, and what you want to do is click onto Steam. And once you've done that, come down and click onto Settings. Now from your Settings window, what you want to do is come across to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto Downloads. On this window on the Downloads, if you scroll down slightly, you're going to see the option to clear your download cache. As you can see, it says clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. What you want to do is go ahead, click the Clear Cache button. Now by doing this, as you can see, it says this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? So what you want to do is click Confirm. After doing that, it's going to go ahead and start clearing any download cache. But make sure you do make a note of your username and password, because what's going to happen is Steam is going to restart and ask you to log in again. So after doing that, try and launch your game you are having problems with to see if that fixes your issue. At this point, if you're still having problems, what I would recommend doing next is making sure your drivers are up to date. So things like your graphics driver, which can contribute to problems. So to do that, what you want to do is open up your device manager. So from your desktop to do that, if you come down to the search box at the bottom and type Device Manager into here, and you want to open up your Device Manager, then what you can do is you can see this in the top left-hand corner. You can go through. I would recommend checking your display adapters. That's going to be your graphics driver. So if you just simply click the arrow, it's going to show your graphics card here. Then what you can do is right-click, and you're going to see an option, Update Driver. So give that a click, and then click to search automatically for drivers, and it's going to tell you if you have the most up-to-date drivers. So you just want to go through and check this, see if you've got any out-of-date drivers, which could be contributing to the game's not launching. After doing this, what I would recommend doing is restarting your PC, and after restarting, launch Steam again and see if you can play your game. Now, the very final method I would recommend if you're still having no luck in launching your games on Steam is to simply do a full uninstallation and reinstallation of the game that you're having problems with on Steam. So just come across to the game that you're having problems with, right-click onto the game itself, and on this menu, go hover over Manage, and you're going to see an option here to uninstall. So what you want to do is simply uninstall the game and reinstall it. Hopefully that should fix your problem. Now you should have no problems launching the game on Steam. So that's basically how you can fix Steam games not launching Windows 11. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.